Mr. JK Gaming with another $10 donation. Dude, booty slaps to you. Thank you for being the generous, Dodo. Lol Noble, your reaction made me laugh. But from the last video, I donated. Plus, why not? Here's a little extra for being so funny, man. Thank you, dude. All right, let's check this out. Okay, let's check it.
Give it 3 more tries.
I can't.
Three more tries for it all.
Okay.
Here we go.
I just can't.
This is try number 1.
Can you tweet it to us? I'll probably try and do something else that's clever for April Fool's tomorrow.
Shut up.
Okay.
You are freaking me out right now.
I was really annoying Susie the other day with that.
Oh god,
Am I
Lord.
doing that?
Funny. I was just putting away laundry and I'm just like,
Jesus.
Oh, fuck. Yeah.
Whenever she says like, I have the perfect husband, I'm gonna play her a clip of you doing that.
Jesus. Oh.
That's
It's a tough one there.
Yeah.
Please stop. Please stop.
Do it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Shut the fuck up.
no!
Here it is. Here it is. This one's for all the marbles.
Oh.
I'm super stoked.
Okay, dig us the well.
Shut the fuck up. Yeah. All right, Tim. All right. You got us.
Sucking fucking dicks.
Oh.
Sucking dicks.
Couldn't do it.
Sucking troll dicks.
Tim.
Yo, getting on your knees and sucking troll dicks. Yo, getting on your belly, sucking troll dicks. Massaging nuts with your chin.
Whoa,
You got
that's a
hairy
little bit
chin,
much.
Yo, rub those
Whoa.
hands against the nut.
Let's
hair.
calm down a little bit and
Yo.
not tell each other to suck each other's penises. At least put some socks on, mister. We don't want to make this too homosexual. Alright? It's alright to suck a homie's dick, but you just gotta got your socks on, and then everything's okay. Darn, you like the Game Grumps. Game Grumps are alright. I like some Game Grumps every now and then. It's pretty good. It's a nice, relaxing feel to it. It's just like chilling with your boys. Just playing a game.